Augmented reality, AR, is revolutionizing the field of education by providing immersive and interactive learning experiences. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing the way students perceive and interact with their environment. Here are some educational applications of AR and how they are transforming the learning landscape. 1. Enhancing classroom learning. AR brings textbooks and other educational materials to life. For example, a biology textbook might include AR features that allow students to see a 3D model of a cell, which they can manipulate to understand its structure and functions better. Similarly, in geography classes, AR can project 3D maps and landscapes that students can explore, providing a more engaging way to learn about different regions and topographies. 2. Interactive learning experiences. One of the most significant advantages of AR in education is the ability to create interactive and engaging learning experiences. Apps like Google Expeditions allow students to take virtual field trips to historical sites, museums, or even other planets, providing experiences that would be impossible to arrange in real life. This interactive approach helps students retain information better and fosters a deeper understanding of the subject matter. 3. Laboratory simulations. AR can simulate complex lab experiments and procedures, making it a valuable tool in science education. Students can perform virtual dissections or chemical experiments, understanding each step without the risk associated with actual lab work. This not only ensures safety but also allows for repeated practice, which is crucial for mastering scientific techniques. 4. Visual and kinesthetic learning. AR caters to visual and kinesthetic learners by providing a multi-sensory experience. Visual learners benefit from 3D models and animations, while kinesthetic learners can interact with virtual objects using AR-enabled devices. This hands-on approach helps in understanding complex concepts, such as mathematical theorems or engineering principles, by allowing students to visualize and manipulate data in real time. 5. Language learning. AR can be a powerful tool in language learning. Apps like Mondly AR use augmented reality to create immersive language lessons, where virtual tutors interact with students in real-life scenarios. This contextual learning helps students practice speaking and listening skills in a more natural and engaging way compared to traditional methods. 6. Special education. AR provides unique benefits for special education by offering customized learning experiences tailored to individual needs. For example, children with autism can use AR to practice social skills in a controlled environment. Interactive AR games can help students with ADHD maintain focus and engagement by making learning more dynamic and entertaining. 7. Professional training. Beyond K-12 education, AR is also used in higher education and professional training. Medical students can use AR to practice surgeries on virtual patients, and engineering students can visualize complex machinery and processes. In professional settings, AR can provide on-the-job training, allowing employees to practice tasks and procedures in a risk-free environment. Conclusion. The educational applications of AR are vast and varied, offering transformative potential for how we teach and learn. By providing interactive, immersive, and personalized learning experiences, AR can enhance student engagement, improve understanding, and cater to diverse learning styles. As AR technology continues to advance, its integration into educational practices will likely become more widespread, further enriching the educational landscape.